Hey, thanks for stopping by. This is the page for the Joyful Breathing Bootcamp #1. There's going to be more. In this one, it's called Erasing Your Anxiety and Calming Your Kids. So if you're locked down with your work and your children and it's a bit much for you, you'll enjoy this video because it will share with you an opportunity to experience many different playful breathing games. They will calm you, they will soothe you, they will kind of reconnect you with yourself, being grounded, and there are of course also ways that you can play with your kids that will help them burn off some restless, playful energy and bring their awareness to their breath and this present moment. That's not easy to do with kids, so this video is chock full of useful experiences for you to learn from. And just from those descriptions there, if you're into intentional laughter yoga, laughter wellness, you're gonna be able to diversify and create many new breathing experiences in your laughter sessions. And if you're a hypnotist, there's a lot of useful stuff for you in here too, because laughter is the sound of joyful breathing, and it's also hypnotic and healing. So enjoy the video and the bonuses listed below, and I look forward to hearing what you make of it. Thanks again.